Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today as I am. Thanks be to God. Today's video is about car automatic battery charger. We have Nextpeak battery charger here and I got from Amazon. Link on the description below if you want to check it out. Once again, it is an affiliate link. So in the box we have the nice bag for keeping. This copper insulated clamps for battery terminals, some connector if you want it to be clipped permanently on the battery, and charger itself. Nextpeak battery charger maintainer with model number EPA 1020-0750. An automatic battery charger is an electronic device that can be used to charge a variety of different types of batteries such as lead acid, nickel metal hydride, and lithium ion. It works by providing a controlled amount of electricity to the battery, preventing overcharging and damaging the cell. The charger can also detect when battery is fully charged and shut off to prevent overcharging. They are also very energy efficient and can save you money in the long run. So here at my car battery, the brand of my battery is Kirkland from Costco, and we are going to check the current voltage of the battery, and we are reading 1.395 volts DC using Fluke multimeter. Here it's 1.395 volts DC, and remember this should be 12 volts, right? So we are preparing the charger, and there we go. It's very important to connect the black to the neutral first to prevent spark. Not really a big deal because this is DC, but to be on the safe side. Then you plug the charger on the outlet or extension cord. Here we confirm that we connect it properly. We got a yellow light indication, that means it is charging. When it's green means it's fully charged, and red means wrong polarity or wrong connection to the battery. Just to let you know that this white charger is for my ring light for my video. There we confirm that it's charging, and be closing the hood, and see you on the next day. Here, after one night of charging, the charge is now 2.743 volts DC. Not enough though. On the next day, on the next morning, we are here gonna pull out our plug again, and we got 2.9 volts DC. So something is draining my battery and probably needs to be disconnected from the battery, from the car first before charging. On the next day, like third day, the charger is green. That means it is fully charged. What I did was I removed the connection of battery to the car and just charged the battery. So we will check the reading again. Here we go. Removing the charger, and we'll check the reading. So it is 13.08 volts DC. So it's pretty good. The battery is charged, and we know the battery is charged and it's working, not dead. So we will be connecting it back to the car, or we'll do the connection and test it and run the car or run the engine. So here we go guys. This simple troubleshooting or fixing If you have a dead battery or just want to charge your battery while your car is in storage, will be a great solution so your car will start when you need it. So thank you for watching. Please comment on anything that I said not correct or just give feedback. Please also like this video, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day. Thanks be to God.